In today's video, I'll show you how to use Calendly for consultants step by step. First, sign into your account and go to your dashboard. Go to Event Types and create consulting sessions such as Discovery Call, Strategy Session, Paid Consultation. Set the duration and meeting type for each. Next, open Availability and set your working hours for client bookings. Now go to each event type and customize title and description, location, Zoom, Google Meet, or in person, buffer time if needed. Next, go to Invitee Questions and add questions like, what do you need help with? Business type, current challenge. Now open Workflows and set confirmation email, reminder before session, follow-up after session. If you charge for consultations, go to Payments and connect Stripe or PayPal. Copy your booking link from the event type. Share it on your website, email, or social media. And that's it. You've successfully set up Calendly for consultants.